Already kind of scared. Almost there. Got 3 welds to do. And of course the fucking almost gas drive welder's like almost out of gas. Not want to run good now. That's probably maybe because it's out of gas. I got 3 welds. Fucking have to do some insulation. At least we don't have to do everything, because like, dude, it's truly a week's worth of work. And fucking been trying to do it in 2 fucking days. So now I gotta fucking drive into the courtyard, back my truck up, use my welding machine for once. Then that gives me a reason to fill it up with fucking diesel next week too. But machine, yeah. Let's see how fucking tight it is. Well, of course it fucking rained like a motherfucker, so I'm not backing in where that lull is. I got back in some tiny ass little area. I mean, I guess I was able to drive the forklift in there. Man, something feels loose up front. Like, I got a wheel bearing bad or a fucking ball joint. Oh man, I definitely need to change something like that, or it's a shock. Something's, oh boy, I feel it. That's a wheel bearing bad, I think. Oh boy, I think. Oh, fucking, dude, my machine was wanting to be fucking gated. Like, I don't know, like, it seemed like the fucking battery was dead. And then, I don't know, like, it was dead, put jumpers on it from the other welding machine, and then my truck, and then I don't know. Like, fucking, I think the fucking button's going bad, or the, I don't know, but I was pissed, dude. I almost thought it wasn't gonna fucking work. Oh, you can tell, dude, those tires catch a little bit of mud. They're a little filled up, but we'll see. Look at it. It even stays out of it. Filled up. Well, that fucking sucked. Almost 7. That's fucking 24 hours and 2 days, which is nice. That'd be what, like 2,200? I gotta switch my taxes, because that would be nice if I didn't have to worry about any tax right now. That'd be like a $5,000 check. That fucking leaving now. Fucking 9:30, dude. I ain't getting home till like fucking midnight, dude. Fucking pitch dark. Not to mention I'm in the fucking courtyard right now. Good thing, well, I got the key for the fucking man doors anyways, but fuck. Dark. I don't know, man. This fucking sucks. Finally, fucking, well, fuck, that's more than 2,400. 7 o'clock would have been 24 hours, so another 2.5 hours onto that. It's 26.5, dude. Fucking 2 fucking days. I'm tired, man. I still gotta drive 3 hours fucking home, dude. You gotta love, look at, they leave all those lights on, dude. No one's in there. That's all work area. Oh, I finally got home. Look at that. More of my toothpaste finally showed up. I'm gonna try this. I've tried the blue, I think it was the mint or spearmint or whatever. But dude, guess what came in? That Hape shit. Oh man, those are spearmint or definitely smaller than I thought. What the fuck is that? Oh, they gave me some samples? They did. Definitely good. What's this one? Look at that, dude. They gave me some samples. Mint. I don't know about that, but I think I was going to try that one. So, in case I feel like shit or something, why not try some of this